Hello everybody, I'm John of Finland and this is my channel and first video. This video I handle about 3 tips to learn Finnish. I will share you guys bunch of video links where you can study and learn Finnish. So open, welcome to the course, tervetuloa kurssille. This is Aalto University Introduction Finnish to Finnish and this is free. I can show you shortly what is about. The introduction, recommends, and this is cost free of charge. And if you need support, contact by Facebook group. Taste of Finnish. This is Helsinki University. Create this material, and this is also free. There is 10th chapter, and this is really basic Finnish, and it's good to study first, of course, really basic. And they have grammar, basic things here. And then I look quickly about this course. Here you can find tips for studying. And of course, I recommend that everybody who study Finnish, listen Finnish radio, try to watch Finnish movies, and this is most important things. And of course, try to get inside to society. Example, you should try to get Finnish friends and try to use at least basic Finnish when you come here on the shop if you buy tickets or something. And then Venla.fi. Venla Finnish for foreigners. Lessons, vocabulary, grammar, exercise, culture, links, more material for teachers and language blog. This is currently under maintenance, but they will come right back soon here. So get to familiar yourself about this website. This is really helpful. And then is yle.fi selkouutiset. This is website Finland broadcast, national broadcast and government website. Yle is radio and TV channel. And next one is also Yle website. Yle Kielikoulu, Yle Language School. This helps you to study Finnish, but of course also in Swedish, but I handle this video about Finnish language. So this website is when you go in and clock out, you can also use telephone like Android or iOS and Google Chrome, Edge and Firefox. And support language for this video, this website is Arabic, English, Swedish, Somali, Russian and Estonian language. When you're watching some Finnish movies or Finnish news or some series, they have subtitles when you put in Finnish there. Then you click the words or sentence what you don't know and in translated your language, example English or Arabic. So here you can do some simple things here. They show and what is click yellow. If you don't know these words, then you click and it show you example in Arabic language, what is that, or Somalian language or English. So this is really helpful website. Another website is also Yle, Yle Arena, and this is Suomen kielen alkeet. Learn the basics of Finnish language with our simple videos. So this is basic Finnish language. And I can show you there is some videos. They have more, but there's example this website first open 10 and I saw. So this is introduction yourself and kuka sinä olet? Who are you? What is your name in English? And this is really helpful. Please go to check out this. Another website you find here, and this is Suomea hoitajille materiaaleja hoitoalan opiskelijoille. So it means Finnish for nurses, materials for nursing students. So here you can see suomen kielen harjoituksia netissä. It means Finnish language exercise in internet. There is more website you can click and searching and yourself you can check out and get to familiar yourself. Another thing is here Suomea työpaikalla. In Finnish language at work, at workplace. So you click and here is more about what you could generally need about working place language. Ammattikieltä, päivähoito. Professional language, päivähoito means like kindergarten or daycare. And here, if you are working that field or if you are mom or dad and you want to learn about that field. Ammattikieltä sairaanhoito, professional language, care or nursing, is like hospital and this what general what they care. That is website here. And then I go forward a little bit. There's kuvia, videoita ja sanakirjoja. Pictures, videos and dictionaries. You can find here more links for about pictures, videos and dictionaries. And this is really good. I find this sovellus hoitotyön kielen kääntämiseen. 45 kieltä. Application for nursing, like field language, you can translate that 45 different languages. And there's more really helpful videos. Then there is lääkelaskuja, medication calculation like maths. If you are a nurse and you need to know what amount of this medicine I have to give patient, example. And suunhoidon Suomea, there is dental care Finnish. If you work in like dental care unit, you can be nurse there, you can be hygienist, or you can be doctor. And then we have more here. Pelejä netissä. Games in internet. This is something language game and you learn by these ones in new Finnish words. Muuta kivaa. Something else nice. There is general something what you could need. And then there is the materiaalit eri kielillä. Materials different language. It's only one link here. And then is that duolingo.com. I have already logged out sometime here, but
Minä.
I wish that you get to yourself familiar with this website, and you can use it by computer, tablet, and of course by telephone. You just upload application there and you can use any breaks, example 5 minutes per day when you are going to go to school by bus or work, and some breaks at school or work break, coffee breaks, you can study, or anytime when you have a little bit free time. And then is that tandem.net. That website I'm not used it, but here you can find pen pal friend and speak with friends. Example, you can find Finnish people who wanna learn English or some other language. Example, if you speak some other language but they wanna learn. And then is this etalki.com. That website I have used it, and there you can find one-to-one lesson trusted by millions users. There is like learn from certificate field teachers that fit your budget and schedule. So there's different kind teachers, Finnish teachers who teach you Finnish, and they have different uh, how much they charge you. And of course, I could recommend, I use that a lot. This is sanakirja.org. Sanakirja means in Finnish, of course, dictionary. I show you how it works, this website. So I click here. So this you can find many different language translation if you native some other than English example. But mainly this best works English and Finnish. So I hope that you enjoyed this my video, and please like it, thumbs up if you like it, and subscribes. So then I know that you really like it, and I have feel to do more videos for you guys about Finland, learning Finnish language, study in Finland, work in Finland, and travel destination and other things about Finland. Thank you so much.